Currently, we are in process of making millions and millions of bottles of high-quality hand sanitizers to bring to the market in this current crisis to help people who are in need right now. Over 2 years ago, our CEO, Rami Shami, started an initiative to double our manufacturing capacity. Now that capacity is in place, we're able to meet the needs in this crisis.
We have ramped up our production. We are now looking at running 24/7 to help keep us all safe and help get us past this together. We do approximately 4 or 5 million bottles per month. The reason we started making all of our packaging in-house is so we can control costs, quality. We set our standards for what we need to give to our customers, and we're able to closely monitor that when we produce in-house. From here, it goes over to our filling facility where they are filled with our product. The lab and quality works together using our ingredients from our organics farm, our aloe vera. The product is capped, sealed, packaged, and ready to go to the consumer.